going to do functional location. Okay, we are going to do functional location. Okay, so okay, fine. Okay, okay, this also we can use, no issues. Yeah. Okay. So we had started with the organization structure, client, company code, plant, maintenance plant, and planning plant. And we completed work center, and we are in the FL and equipment. Okay, so these are the three master data in progress: work center, FL and equipment. Work centers here 05 report, equipment IH08, and the FL report is IH06. Okay, FL report is IH06. Okay, right. So we'll see that, right? So it is nothing but structuring your plant. Function location is nothing but structuring your plant. Okay, so where is that? Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. Should not this. Good. Okay. So function location, right? So okay. So it is like structuring your total plant. Okay. What is plant? We know plant is the unit where your business operations are carried. Okay. Plant is the unit where your daily business operations are carried. Okay, that is a full boundary. The unit where your daily activities are carried. Not only maintenance, any activities. That is what plan we had already discussed. Okay. So in that unit, the total plan you are structuring. Okay, you are structuring. That is called as functional location. Like this. Okay, like this. Okay, like in the top level. Again, next hierarchy, again going down. Okay, so this is called as function. You can see this also. Okay. You can see the total site. Site is again classified into infrastructure, building, site, common, site secondary, okay, diameter something they are bringing again. The structure into AC, DC, air system, okay, diesel, and like this structuring. This structuring is called as function location. That is what they tell. This is the very important. Okay, function location created according to the they will tell us hierarchy. This dropping down and going, very important word. This word hierarchy word is very important. Write in your handnote. Very important word for effort. Hierarchy, upper hierarchy and lower hierarchy you should tell. Now SAP given words is you can structure on the following basis, like function or process or spatial. Okay, function or process or spatial. Process means like your cooling line, steam line, okay, vent line, okay, drain line, like that process, or even boiler, compressor, chemical system, okay, even the store, like that, any process. Okay, so function means like your boiler, turbine, okay, and your cooling system, compressor, Okay, that is the process. Space means according to the location. So this is the you can use any. It's not that you need to go only this. You can structure in anything. Finally, the business should be able to understand the structure. Ankit and who is that other guy? I forgot the name.
Akshay.
Akshay, are you getting the concept? Concept. This is the concept. FL concept is this. Any question on this? Both of you. For
No,
Ankit,
sir.
it is completed. For Akshay, it is completed. Ankit, I am telling. Are you clear, Ankit? Are you clear on the concept?
Yes, sir.
Oral structuring. Okay, that structures the maintenance objects. This is the main word that structures the maintenance object of the plant. Structures the maintenance object of the plant. Okay, according to function process, you can write this also. Structures the maintenance object. Like the total plant you are structuring. That is called as function location. Okay, so this is called as function location. Okay, like this example. So this is also example. Some clarification, mechanical, biological, mechanical into sand trap and oil trap, again oil trap, like this, dragging down. Okay, this they will use the word hierarchy. Hierarchy, right in your handout, hierarchy, very important word in FL. Okay, we need to use SAP terminology, use the word hierarchy. Okay, and this is what, okay, structure indicator. We are I don't know whether Ankit, you are there, right? While configuring structure indicator, I think you are there. Am I right?
No, sir.
Okay. So these are the three we are going, actually four. Okay. A, N, X, and special characters. One is there. So this is called as edit mask. A and X is called as edit mask. So this is the hierarchy level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the hierarchy levels. So like, okay, so first hierarchy, one example, this is example again. Okay. System. Second is area, under area, sub area, under sub area function, under function sub function, against under some function item. Like this, you are structuring the plant according to the hierarchy. Okay, so that is what this hierarchy want. This AN system. Okay, yeah, AN and ANN is area, and this N is sub function. This X is function like this. Are you clear on this, Ankit and Akash? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Ankit, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are some definitions you can read later. Okay. So managing the technical objects, that is the structuring. Okay. Maintenance history of the FL. Okay. And hierarchy, I told, right? Are structured with hierarchy. Very important word. Please write in your hand. FL. The first word you should remember is hierarchy. Upper hierarchy, lower hierarchy. Okay. And then each hierarchy level will given a level of system. Yeah, that's it. Okay. This is what something. Yeah, maintenance can be done on the FL. You can track the record of your maintenance. Okay, like that you can see. Okay, and report type like IS06 very important. Okay, already I told report is a very important interview question. Work center 005, FL IS06, equipment IS08. You are there in class and characteristics, right, Ankit?
What
CT04.
are the characteristics, sir?
Oh, characteristics class you are there, right? CT04, CL02.
No, sir. Actually, I attended the classes for the work center, equipment configuration, and now for the function location, sir.
Okay, fine.
Including this function location, only three master data is completed for me, sir.
Yeah, extra only FL only. FL only. FL. See, 80% equipment FL same. Only 20% different, but both are different master data. Both are different master data. Okay. So this is the report for FL. Report very important. Right in a run at IS06. Okay. Very important. IS06 structure IS01. You can actually this is a very good P code. IS01 is a very good P code. Actually, I'll tell you the significance. Okay, because from this P code, you can see the FL
Entire
and
structure.
yes, very good P code it is. Okay, I like that actually. Very Very good.
Even
ticker.
I also like that, sir.
No, really very, very wonderful ticker actually. IH01 is a very, you can see your equipment installed. Okay, bomb,
Bomb.
permit, everything will come here. If you give the equipment installed, right? If you give the some FL, okay, if you execute, okay. So you can see the equipment, if it is there, it should come. Okay. See here, if you go back and if you remove the equipment install button, if you remove this and if you execute, your equipment will come and you can click the expand role. Expand role. Okay. You can see there is no equipment. So it's a very good ticket actually. Permit will come, bomb you will get, equipment you will get, everything you will get. Okay. So it's a very, very good ticket. I like that. 01. Okay. And this is the category. Okay, SPRO path for category. Okay, and that we'll see. And yeah, these are the tickets create IL010203. Report I told IS06 and table IFLOP ILOA. Okay. Very important. This all you cannot skip it. Okay. And then yeah, this is about the FL. This is equipment. Okay, this is the main thing. Main thing. This is the FL. Okay. So we'll see how to create a structure like this. Okay, we should know. So okay, so yeah, okay. Don't take this as any example you can take. Yeah, you tell any process in your company according also you can go. There is no issues. You can take anything. Okay, I think this is our sheet, right? I'm getting confused. Okay, so take this as a process. Okay, I am taking like this is a what to tell as a some actually it's a power plant. Okay, it's a power plant. Okay, so under the power plant, okay, under the power plant, all right. So you will be receiving the raw material. Okay, there will be some mill area to crush your fuel, coal or igniter or anything, and that will be powdered and fired in the boiler. Okay, and the steam will go to the turbine. Turbine will run. By the turbine running, the power is generated, and the outside steam should be cooled again. That's the process. That is what here it is told. Process related. Okay, process related. Okay. Power station function or process. Okay, this is what again raw material going to lower hierarchy. Raw material 1, 2, and 3. Mill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also you can go any level. Okay, boiler, heater, furnace, fireball, steel, etc. Turbine, generator, turbine, oil system, etc. Still you can go. Okay, oil system and vent system. Okay. Vacuum system, like that you can still drag down. Okay, you can drag down. Okay, it's not that only 3. Don't think that way. Don't think that way. Cooling system, oil lane, air cooling, water. Here maybe only 2 systems. Okay, here 3, 4. Again here at given mill 3. Say mill 4, 5, 6, 7. You can go mill 4, mill 5, mill 6. There is no restriction. Okay, mill 7 like this. Still you can go. Still you can go. There is no. Don't think only 3 levels. Not like that. Okay. So like this, I normally process according to the I structure according to the process. Why I'm keeping this top power plant, right? Your total plant should come under this. And again in the below I'll add accessories. So in the accessories, I can add the buildings. Okay. Or if you have the vehicle, you can add. Okay. And the store you can add. Because these are not directly on the meters, but indirectly it is required. Are
Sir,
you getting?
here we can consider power plant as a upper hierarchy, sir, right?
First level, total plant, total plant.
So we can also call it as a upper hierarchy, sir, right?
Superior, not upper, superior.
Okay, sir.
Upper, superior, all are same, but use because here you will get the word here superior. Superior function location will use the word terminology. Upper also you can tell, but normally superior function location they will tell.
Okay, sir. Superior function location.
SAP terminology, I'm telling you, what your concept is same, but instead of upper, you can use superior because SAP terminology matters, right? We should use the SAP. By the words you use the SAP, they will catch you where you are studying. That is what I'm telling. Upper also, you can tell instead of upper, superior FL is very good word. SAP word terminology.
Okay, sir.
So use superior. The first superior. You can tell that as a first superior. Okay. So for this all, this is the superior. Understand?
Understand, sir.
For this all, this is the superior, not this. For this all, I'm telling. Okay, this is the superior. And for this is not the superior. See here, go to IH01. Okay, so go to IH01. Take maybe, okay, let's try this. Okay, okay, no objects. Okay, fine, try this. Objects, okay, go F4. Okay, take 1710. Okay, okay, take for now Powerhouse maybe. Okay, so execute. Okay, so now you got, see, for this is the superior. For this is not the superior. Are you getting the point what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
For this too.
Like we have to define the function location according to the station wise, sir. Like
Absolutely, absolutely. What I'm trying to tell, for this is the
this
superior,
one is the superior.
and this is not the superior.
Right, sir. I got it, sir.
That is what I'm trying to tell you. You should not tell for this is superior, you should not tell, because in the middle this is there. This is under this. For this only, here it is there. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it, right? You are what I'm telling you, understand, right? For this.
Yeah, I understand, sir. I understand.
This is what you should not tell
1000.
for this is superior. That is wrong.
Yeah, the 1000 pH is superior function location for 1000 pH DG1, and 1000 pH TR01 is superior function location for EP01, EP02.
Absolutely. That is what I'm trying to tell you. You should not tell AP01 the superior is pH. That is wrong.
I
Are you
understand, sir.
getting
I
it?
understand. Yes, sir. Yes.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, that's what I'm doing. So this, if you want to create a file, you should have the edit mask. You should have the edit mask. Okay, you should have the edit mask. Very important. Okay. So this is given by SAP. This is called as edit mask. Okay, they will tell us edit mask. Okay, can be asked in the interview. Not for experience, fresher or 2 years, they may ask what is structure indicator, what is edit mask. They may ask. They may ask. Okay, so A is alphabets, N is numbers, X is alphanumerics. There is special characters, but it is not being used. There is SAP standard is it's given there, but it is not being used. So these are the three we are using. It is there. SAP had given. We are not using. Okay, we are not using. So this is called the edit mask. Why means with this edit mask only you can create the structure indicator. So what is structure indicator? Okay. So if you want to create this power plant, okay, I need to create this as 1710 hyphen PPL power plant. I'll be creating the system like this only. This will be the description. Okay. So if I want to create this, I want to use my edit mask. So my structure indicator can be NNNN, okay, hyphen AAA, NNNN hyphen XXX, NNNN hyphen No, that's it. So XXXX hyphen AAA XXXX hyphen XXX. Ankit, Akshay, you are getting what I'm trying to tell, both of you.
So uh, as per this edit mass 1710 ppl, we have considered NNN, which is belong to numbers. Then again we have considered NNN. Actually, instead of NNN, I think we should use AAA, sir, right?
Wrong. If you use AA for this, system will throw error. That is only alphabets.
No, no, sir. Okay, I understand, sir. First row I have to consider is 4N triple A. Okay. 4N we have used for the 1710 and 3A we have used for the PPL.
Yes.
And the second N we have used for the 1710 and XXS we have used either alphanumeric. Either we can use here numeric value as well and alphanumeric value, alphabet as well.
So I'm taking XXX. See, I'm trying. What I'm trying you for this, you can use any. That is what I'm telling you. You can structure in any way like this. I'm telling you. It's not that all four required.
But I guess it would be better if we use the XXX. Hello.
Anything you can use. You can use anything. There is no restriction. See, why they kept like this, right? Why they kept like this? There could be some people who don't have knowledge. If we use this right, the company may be using the structure. You understand? If they don't know, and if you are giving access, okay, and if you give this in the system, right, instead of number, they may put something, okay, FUNC hyphen 123. So their structure will get disturbed. Do you understand? That is
I
what
understand,
they
sir.
are given you this option to go with a
To use,
structured way. Understand now? Ankit, you are able to understand what I'm trying to tell?
yes, sir.
See, for example, I'll tell you, if this is my 1710, example, I'll tell you, in my plant, okay, in my plant, if I am having a structure indicator, example, I'm telling you, if I am having a structure indicator like this, as you told, leave a second, take this first. Instead of 17, they can create this and they will go. This is not my requirement. Mine should be starting with number. So that is the reason if you have a okay. So if I am using AAA, AAA is not there. Okay, take this A. Okay, so A. Here if I give number right, it will block me. That is what they kept that option. But you can use any. I'm telling you why it is like that. I'm making you clear why SAP are given like if you need to start with 17 and if you keep A, you cannot proceed. That blocking they are keeping. You got it? You're trying to understand
Yeah,
what I'm
I have to create a structure indicator in such a way so that we can create the function location the way we want.
yes. And it will block the way which we don't want. See here. See here. My plant, the function location should start in 1000 only. Alphabet should not come. So I can use this. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That is what I'm trying to tell you. Nothing other. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now, instead of taking structure indicator for this, you See here. Okay. Now this is ready. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. What I'm doing, just see. Okay. So go at the top. It is raw material. Okay. Take this. Okay. Raw material. Put it down here. So copy 1710 hyphen. Okay. RW. Okay. RW. Again copy. Okay. Copy. Paste. 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 Okay. Millera. MA. Okay. Boiler. BR. Okay. Again turbine. EW. Cooling system, yeah, you can use it, no use. Okay. Again, this raw material I am bringing into raw material 1, 2, and 3. Mill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Raw material 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. So come here. Okay. Keep your raw material. Drag it. Okay. So copy this. See here, I am copying this. I am putting here hyphen R1. Okay. Copy this. Paste. Paste. Hyphen R2. Here hyphen R3. Here mill. Okay, so copy this, paste here hyphen M1 mill 1. Okay, copy this, paste, paste, paste. You're getting what I'm doing?
Here you're creating the function location as per the hierarchy level, sir.
Absolutely. That's what simple. Because then only I can create my FL. Then only I can create my FL.
Then only we can create our FL
Yes.
till the down the level, till down the level.
See, why I'm structuring the first, if you prepare this, then if you go to the system from here, you can do. 111 you cannot do, right? First keep your data proper, what you are going to create. Then you go to the SAP. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Because this should be valid by business also. Simply you cannot create. What you are creating should be valid by business also. Understand? And the
Understand, sir.
boiler. Okay, so copy this, paste here, paste here, paste here, paste here. Don't think 3 hyphen B1. Oh, I gave here a 1, 2, 3, 4, B4, B3, B2, B1. Okay, so I will take only this. Okay, first. So what I am doing now, copy this again, come down. So remove the other things. Correct only. Yes. Okay. So for this is my superior. For this is superior. For this is superior. For this is superior. Again, for this you can do. So what I'm doing now, instead of creating structure indicator for this, you take the last one. Why? If I create a structure indicator for this can be used for this level, also this level. You understand, Akit and Akshay, what I'm trying to tell? See here. See, extra, what is there? No shoes. Okay.
We have to
NNAN.
create the structure indicator for the last function location.
I means if you create for the biggest one, the biggest can be used for down, up, all. If you create
Yes,
for
sir.
this, right? If you create smaller,
It won't
again for
allow us.
everything, I need to create separate. Big one you can use for the down one. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
That is what? That is
The
what?
bigger one we can assign to the smaller one, but a smaller one we
Absolutely.
cannot assign to the bigger one.
Because I need one more structure indicator for the lower one. For that, take the bigger one. If you create such that can be used for upper everything, upper hierarchy. Now you got it. This is what my function location, my structure indicator required now. Okay. You can write this in different way. You can write this in any way. Okay. Many way. If you sit, you can write 30, 40, even 50 also. You got what I am telling. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is called a structure indicator. So you should know, you need to prepare your structure first in the Excel. We are taking here only 10, 15, but in the project, if you go, it may be 200, 300. If small project, big projects may be 1,000. It depends. It depends. If the business knows SAP, if they don't need very detailed, they may go to 500,000 also. Small companies, they will use only 20, 30 or 50 function locations. That's it. Small who don't know SAP, who don't know
So
SAP.
if so, we have to create the individual function locations, sir, manually. Like
LSMW, you
500.
asked me the same question. You or Sridhar asked me that question. Manually not possible. LSMW.
Okay, sir.
Sridhar asked me that question. Many equipments. He asked me last class. If I need to create many equipments, I will create. I told LSMW. Legacy system migration workbench. You forgot. Now we are going to do manually, boss. But in the project, if you want to do 1,000 times, you cannot go to IL01. You need to create a file and you need to upload through LSMW, legacy system migration workbench. That we'll see later, not now. So first we'll see how to create this. So this is my structure indicator, strict indicator or structure indicator. Okay. Structure indicator. Okay. So we need to configure this because this is my requirement. So we need to do the configuration. Go to SPRO. Okay. Right click F5. PM and CS. We are in master data. FL equipment comes under master data. Open, and we are in the technical object. Equipment FL is technical object. Open. FL. We are on the FL. Open. You can see the first starting with structure indicator. Okay, the first start with structure indicator. Okay. You can always, as I told, go this, read once. Always have this practice. Something you'll see what I told and all is here. Read it once, you understand, don't understand. That is different, yes, but read it once fully. Okay. Now go inside. Go inside. Take yours, copy. Anything you can take down also. There is no difference. All are same. Copy. Copy. Go here, new entry. Okay. This OIP key. You want, you can remember T code or no issues. SPR or T code, no issue. What you can remember, otherwise, no problem. Okay. OIP.
Sir, what is OOP?
OIPK.
OIPK. Okay, sir.
Remember, you can remember SPR or configuration T code, they won't ask 99%. It's okay. Main T code in front screen only. SPRO, they won't ask any T code. Okay. But they may ask you the node. Node, they some bad day, they may ask you, what is the node for structure indicator? There are chances. There are.
Means node means the path, sir, right?
Yes, if they're asking you plan maintenance customer service, master data and PM and master data and PM and CS, technical object, FL, and their structure indicator. This is called node or SPRO path. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So go inside new entry. Okay. So Ankit. Okay. So give name Ankit. Some steel plant or something, whatever you want. Give the structure indicator. Here only you are giving the hierarchy. This is important. You need to give the hierarchy at the last digit. Okay. If you give one space inside also, system will throw error. The reason the hierarchy should sit at the last block of any last character of any block. Are you getting my point? What I'm telling?
The hierarchy should be stand at the last character of
Block.
edit mask.
Yes. Last character of any block. Any block. This block. This block. This block and this block. See here. Must The hierarchy must be under the last character of a block. That is standard given by SAP. Otherwise, you cannot proceed, it will throw error. So keep your hierarchy at the last. If you go out also, it will not allow because this is what you bring it inside. This is how integrated structure indicator. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Nothing big complex. If you do 2 times, you'll get to know. Save it. Okay. Akshay, what is this called? Akshay, are you there in the call? Akshay.
I think he's left the call, sir.
Okay. Transport request, continue. Okay. So now go to IL01. Go to IL01. Okay. So what we created now, Ankit. Okay. Copy this. Come and paste here. Okay. Ankit. Okay. Press enter. See the edit must change it. From the structure indicator, you edit must change it and you are getting the hierarchy 1, 2, 3, and 4. So go to our start from 1 here because this is the first level superior of the plant, total plant. Okay. So paste here. Extra is there, no issues. That is not a matter. Present.
We can utilize it later.
Extra whatever is there, no issues for me. Can keep any, but my requirement should be satisfied. That is my matter. So give Ankit steel plant. Always go and give your mother. Don't forget in your life. That is the first as a PM consultant, you should remember. Maintenance plant is the heart of your PM model. Save it. Now what you do, cut it, come to superior, paste it. Because for this all, this is going to be the superior. Understand?
And we have to write the superior function location always, sir.
You can give, no. Without that also you can go, I will tell you. Why I will tell you. Copy this. Okay, come and give here. If you are not giving here also, system will take. The reason this is already in the system. Do you understand? Correct, right? That we only created. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This only I copied here. The first 6 characters is same. 6 or 7 characters. One 710 PPL is common for all this. That is how you need to create. You didn't get what I'm telling?
I get it, sir. I get it.
So since it is already
1710 PPL is a common. So even though if we don't put the superior function, it will allow us to move further.
no. Even if you are not putting, it will take as default because it is already created in the system. It will take as default. If you are not giving also, it will take default. See, again, see here. This RW. You understand? You are getting or not? You are getting me or not? This RW only I had used here, here, and here. Extra only I added R1, R2, and R3.
But this is we only created in the Excel file, sir. How it is taking to the system, sir?
I am telling when I am creating here, first time doing here, this I created, so it is taking. When I am going to create this, since it is will be in the system, if you don't give also, it will take this as a superior for this all. Sir, after I create, I'm telling you, sir, not now. I'm telling after I create, I'm telling you.
Okay, sir.
See the system, what I'm playing, you see here. So I didn't give the superior in the front, it took here. Am I right?
Right, sir.
Okay, save it. Now add create the others. MA, that is mill. Okay, so give here. If you want, you can give. No wrong in it. You can give. It is not that you should not give. You are interested, you give here. Otherwise, system will take default. Press enter. Okay. So mill. Always check your maintenance plan. That is your first work. PM consultant. Come here. Continue. Save. Go here itself. Display enter. Go to structure list. IH01.
Yes.
Expand upwards. See a structure is coming. Okay, structure is ready. So go open IL01 again. I'm just showing you. Okay. So IL01. Okay, now the third. So boiler. Enter. Boiler. Okay. Maintenance plant. Structure. Save it. Then what is this? I don't know. TW turbine. Okay. Enter turbine. Turbine. It will take default because it is already in the system. That is how you need to create. While you are structuring, this you need to use here, this you need to use in the down. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So save it. Okay. Now this is done. Till this is done. Okay. Now go to IH01, refresh, update. You can see under steel plant, boiler, mill, raw material structure. See here. This PPL is coming here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm going this boiler. So boiler. Okay. 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 Right. Boiler. Take this one. Boiler one. Or you can take this also. Raw material one. R1. Okay. So go to IL0 and give R1. It is already in the system. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir. It is already available in the system.
Yes.
So it is taking as a superior function location.
Absolutely. Absolutely it will take. That is how you need to, that is how in the Excel itself you need to prepare in that way. In the Excel itself you need to prepare, then only your structure will come like this. Otherwise it will not stand here. This will go out, it will be there. It will not be in the structure. Are you getting my, I'll show you. Wait, I'll show you. So raw material one, superior, location, save it. Then R2, okay. So give your R2, maintenance plan, structure, save it. And then R3, okay. R3, save it. Only three I'm taking. Now I'm going to the next mill one. Okay. So mill one. See, for everything, this edit mass is okay for me. Now you got the part why I took for the biggest one. Now you understand. So
Yes, sir.
same structure indicator I can use for any. That is the reason I took for the biggest one. Okay. So mill one. Okay. M1. Okay. Location, structure, save it. M2. M2. Location, structure, save it. M3. M3. Structure, save it. M4. M4. Location, structure, save it. M5. You should not think I'm using only three. That is what I'm doing this. Okay. Go to location here, come here, save it. Now go to your IH01, update, expand all. How good is it to see?
It's a very good, sir.
Yes. Now see here what is happening. I'll play again. I'm going here. Okay. and I'm editing this. I'm coming to the structure. Okay, take something, go to the structure. I'm changing something different. Example, I'm changing the superior. I'm changing the superior. Understand?
Mm.
I change the superior. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Save it. Update. That R1 is missing. Because I changed the superior. It is out of the circuit itself now. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
This is the concept. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir. I'm getting, sir.
That is what you need to prepare your Excel in a very proper structured way. This only you need to use for the down. If you are not using this down, it will not come in the structure at all. It will not come in the structure at all. It will go and stand away. It will be there, but it will stand in some other place. See here. You got it now. It went out of the circuit. It went out of here and it is standing in a separate place because you changed the different structure indicator. This is not
So,
correct.
yes, sir. It went to the another superior function location because we changed the
Because
superior function
that
location.
is what you kept here. This is not in this structure. You change the superior in R1. It went and sit what it is there.
Right, sir.
This is the main method. Okay. So this is how first you need to prepare the data proper in Excel. Very proper. Very proper. If the
Also,
hierarchy is not coming, it will not stand in the system. In the means in your structure, it will not come. It will go and if you open and see the, for example, this is the plant, they will see where R1 went. You got my point. They will think there is no R1 itself in the system. Are you getting me? They will not go and search like this. They will not go and search like this.
yes,
If
sir.
they know IH01, I'm telling you, if they know IH01, I'm telling you. You got it?
Got it, sir.
So while you are preparing first your Excel, you should prepare in a very structured way. Like this, with the superior, correctly you should go. With the superior, correctly the hierarchy you need to follow. This hierarchy. Okay? Right. And then one more thing we'll close for today. Alternative labeling. Very, very important. What is alternative labeling?
I think is to replace the function location with the another function location, sir.
You should not use the word replace. You should use the word rename. SAP terminology matters. Renaming of FL. You should not tell replace.
Okay, sir.
Replace means
Renaming
you
the
are exchanging. Replace means you are exchanging. You are not exchanging. You are renaming the FL. You should use the SAP terminology. Very important. You will tell, no, I gave the concept all fine. Concept and all even correct. If the SAP words are not there, they will not consider you. Concept and all may be correct, but you should use the SAP. Instead of rename and replace, there is difference.
yes, I understand, sir. Replacing means
I'm changing it to different place. You are not changing, you are renaming. Understand?
understand, sir.
I am telling the words what you are using in the interview. With that, they will get to know. We can't all okay. What words you are using, with that they will catch you. Where you are standing. Concept is important. Along with the concept, SAP terminology is very important. You got it? You understand? Very important. SAP terminology is very, very, very important. Today, three terminologies: words hierarchy and renaming of FL, alternative labeling, and superior function location. Upper you can't tell, but use superior. Okay, superior and hierarchy, renaming is alternative labeling, superior function location, one more something. Okay. Okay. And now the last before closing. Okay. I can rename my FL. Okay, I can rename my FL. For this, there is a config. For this, there is a config. Okay. Go to SPRO, structure indicator. Okay. So PM and CS, master data PM and CS, master data PM and CS. Okay. Technical object, alternative function location. You can see your alternative. Activate alternative. If I deactivate here, I cannot rename my FL. I change it. See, that renaming field itself is not there. That renaming field itself is not there. See here, there is no field, right?
Right, sir.
Activate here, save it. Yes. Again, always go out and come. Always go out and come. Don't check in the same screen. Okay. Now you will have the renaming function. Before it is not there, you do in your system and see. But you are using ECC. In the ECC, it will be there, but this will be inactive. This field will be inactive. You cannot use it. You play and see. You play and see. Okay. So here,
Okay,
go
sir.
inside, you can rename your FL. But renaming simply you should not do in the business. In the business is simply you should not go and do. There should be a proper justification. Why you tell me? Why you should not rename it simply? What is the reason? You tell me.
Because maybe later the customer and the client, whoever has requested me, they can refuse that we haven't
That is
made.
one point. It may collapse your structure.
And
If
what
I
and whenever we are renaming the any function location, sir, it should be almost equivalent to our structure
hierarchy,
indicator.
the structure. See, this M1 you can change as M8, 9 or something. But if this M itself, if you remove, there is chances it may go out of this loop.
So we should do this very, very, very carefully, sir.
Very carefully. Not M1. M1 it will be okay. But if you touch this ME and PPL, it will not stand in this loop. That is what I showed you before sometime. Because it is structure is changing, right?
Yes, sir.
That is consultant. If the business don't know, they are simply telling that if you not do, if you lose suddenly 100 FL may get disappeared. You should be very cautious before doing alternative labeling. Very, very cautious. If they are hands-on in IH01. Are you clear what I'm telling?
Yes,
If
sir.
they are hands-on in IH0, you should be very cautious. Even they are not hands-on, also our consultant responsibility to maintain the proper structure. You should tell and advise them, boss, but you should know what is going to happen. Now you got right superior and lower levels, how it is coming. So if they are telling this M1, M2, M3, M5 into A1, A2, A3, that is okay. That will stand. But if they touch this ME and PP, only issue will come. Are you getting my point? What I'm telling? You understand? If they touch this ME and PP, issue will come. If they are touching this, you will not get any issues. It will stand here itself because this is the superior. If you touch this PPL and MA, only issue will come. Are you getting my point?
I'll
That
do one
is
thing, sir.
consultant.
I'll create the